Hey, so if you want to write content faster and smarter, yeah, Notion AI can really change the way you work. Whether it's blog posts, scripts, or ideas, it helps you create content in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, open Notion and create a new page where you want to write your content. Then activate Notion AI by typing /AI or pressing space on a blank page to open the AI tools. Next, choose a writing option like generating a blog post, creating ideas, or drafting content. After that, enter a clear prompt. For example, include your topic, tone, and what kind of content you want. Then press enter and let Notion AI generate your content. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once the content is ready, review it carefully and make improvements. You can ask the AI to rewrite, expand, or simplify the text based on your needs. After that, organize your content using headings, bullet points, and sections to make it more readable and professional. You can use Notion AI for many types of content, like blogs, scripts, emails, or social media posts. So, yeah, that's how to use Notion AI for writing content. Once you start using it regularly, it can save you a lot of time and help you stay productive. Hey, so if you want to write